So I've been learning some new skills to create these beautiful little ornaments and this wonderful enchanted book for Christmas. It's me, Indiana Jones, and this is my channel, Crafting with Indiana Jones. And today I have a very special episode where I get to work with a very new tool, and I was just so impressed I had to share it with all of you. It's the Ortur Laser Master 3, and let's get started with crafting for Christmas season. I was so happy and surprised that Ortur reached out to me and asked me to try out their Laser Master 3. This is one of their latest products, and I was so impressed with how fast and easy this powerful product is to use. Within minutes of setting up the machine, I was able to get started on very simple but very good looking projects for Christmas. And here's a very simple Dollar Tree sleigh that I was able to engrave this beautiful deer on. And I also started to create my own ornaments. And the reason for this is I have the opportunity to sell some of these products at a local store. And although we're halfway through the Christmas season, it seems that Christmas shopping is still very big in demand. So it's no problem for me to get started with selling some of these wonderful products to sell and to give as gifts. Some designs are already out there that you can use for sale. So it's very, very simple to get started on projects for sale for this Christmas season. And again, Ortur made it so very easy and simple to just get started. Now, I have never ever used a laser product before, and this was my first time trying it out. In this example, I'm only going ahead 2 times the speed that would normally happen or occur in person. And as you can see how quickly it was to create this lovely little ornament. Now you can leave it as natural with wood, or you can actually paint it and glitter it up or create however you want to your ornaments. You can personalize these and just develop your sense of style that you want to sell these days for the Christmas season. I have to tell you, there is a bit of a learning curve, but if you take advantage of designs that are already out there, you can get started in minutes, like I did. Now, to get started with any project, you of course have to use their software. Now, we have Lightburn, which is a software that costs around $60. It's not that expensive, which I found very easy to use. But they also have an app that you can have on your phone, and I will explore that more in a following video. These are some designs that I found already, and I was able to use them so easily. One of the most important things is to learn at the speed at which you're going to use your laser, and also the level of power that you're going to be using for your project. You'll learn this as you go along, and there's a lot of tutorials on Ortur and also on Lightburn. The most important thing is to take advantage of the safety goggles that they provide in the system itself. Please take all necessary safety precautions whenever you are using any kind of laser product or machine. But Ortur makes it very easy to stay safe. They even have a fail-safe stop. So if you see that your project is burning too hot, too high, or too fast, you can stop it immediately. The most important thing is to take all safety precautions whenever you are using the Laser Master 3. Now, here you can see that I had on the screen in Lightburn this beautiful snowflake ornament. And here, within minutes of just putting it into the software program, I downloaded it and I imported it into the Lightburn project. All I had to do was hit go, and there you go. We just start cutting it up, as you can see right here. I had so much fun using this product for the first time, and these may be very simple projects that you see that I'm trying out. But again, this is my first time ever using any kind of wood cutting machine. And as you know, I have a fame of being a little klutzy. It was very easy to use this product without too many issues. I have to tell you though, I did do an experiment, and I'll tell you more about that later. And because I couldn't find this particular project that I was experimenting on anywhere on the internet, I had to take some chances and some risks. But again, because of the safety precautions that the machine has within itself, I was able to avoid any serious damage to myself or to the machine. But I'll talk a little more about that later. But look at these beautiful, intricate designs. The precision is amazing. And I'll tell you more about all of the levels of precision that this machine has. It is just so simple and easy to use. If you are looking for a gift for a crafter, a woodworker, or someone who wants to take their crafting, somebody like me, to another level, this is the perfect machine. As I said, it really is foolproof. And for the first time using it, this was within a day that I built it, I was already making these beautiful, intricate designs. Well, I wasn't making them, but I was using these beautiful, intricate designs for sale at the store. And I was so happy that I could produce something so unique and different for sale for the Christmas season. The wonderful thing also about this product is how easy it is to customize. So if you have customers or clients that would like to have personalized items for gifts this season, this is the perfect tool to help you with that. I could have created these very personalized ornaments as well, but I wanted to start with just these basic ones. And here are all the ornaments that I created, and look at how beautiful, how precise, how clean all of these products came out. And you don't even have to sand them down because they are already sanded down because of the burning of the laser. So it is so easy, and it's so much faster even than using a scroll saw. Next, I'll try something that's a little more innovative, something that I hadn't seen on the internet, especially for a Laser Master 3. If you've watched my channel before, you know that one of my favorite projects to create is what I like to call an enchanted book. And I haven't been making them lately simply because of the time and effort it takes to create these projects. Now, a local bookstore saw a couple of my enchanted books. They have them in their bookstore, but they haven't sold them because they love them so much, but customers are coming in asking for these books. So here I am using the Laser Master 3 to cut time and also save me a lot of effort by doing this same process that usually takes me between half an hour to an hour. It literally did it within a few minutes. Now here is the cover, which was easy enough. It's just a square. I know it doesn't seem very complex or complicated or intricate, but the time and the effort that it saves me is amazing. As you can see, first I cut out the cover and then I cut out the pages one by one. But with a few adjustments, I was able to fix that situation. And because of the safety features in the Ortur Laser Master 3, I was able to stop the project without any major issues or burning or anything. Actually, now here I'm actually going to take the time now to create a Christmas themed enchanted book. And I have to tell you very honestly, I tried to see if there were any other Laser Master users or Ortur users or creators that had done this project to learn from them, and apparently I'm the only one that is using the Laser Master to create these beautiful enchanted books. Now, I was also inspired by another crafter named Karim, so if you can, check out her channel as well. But again, if you have to cut these by hand, it could take anywhere between half an hour to an hour, and it really kills the creative process of making a beautiful enchanted book. As you can see here, I am just gluing down the pages so they stay in place while I continue with the project. And here I'm taking as a backdrop is these beautiful pages, this beautiful scrapbook page that I had in one of my pads and from Michael's, and I thought this was a beautiful backdrop just to have a simple Christmas tree. And I made this very woodland kind of theme. I was going to try for something a little more complex, but I think the woodland theme was just beautiful to have that lovely little tree. Now, just to cover up, and I don't need to because the pages were cut so precisely, but just to make it look a little nicer, I'm using this greenery all around the book pages, just so that it adds a little more to the enchantment of the book. You can use moss or any other kind of trim. You can use lace or ribbon or even like fake snow. Anything that you'd like to use within the book pages just to make it look a little nicer. Once again, because it was cut so precisely with the laser, it wasn't necessary. In the past, I had to do it because of the jagged way I had to cut the pages by hand. Very, very tedious process. And there you go. Look at how beautiful a little Christmas tree looks already in the book. Now I'm going to add a lovely cover that matches the whole ambiance of this woodland type of enchanted book for Christmas. Now I have to tell you, when I dropped off the book, the bookstore was so happy because they had gotten so many questions and requests based on the other books that I had dropped off for them. So I have an order to create many books, and it'll be so much easier for me to do so and actually make such a profit because I won't be spending so much time cutting out those book pages. So as the first time Ortur Laser Master user for these enchanted books, I suggest that if you do these kind of books or any other kind of books such as like scrapbooks and there's a whole bunch of different areas that you can use this for. This is a wonderful way to really recreate books that are out there. And this was a book that I got for $1. The cost of creating this book was very minimal, especially since I saved so much time now in the creation of the book itself. So I will be making a much bigger profit on this project and all of the other enchanted books that I will be creating for this bookstore. And I have Ortur Laser Master 3 to thank for this. And here is the final reveal of this beautiful book. I really enjoyed making it, and I can't wait to make some more. And again, all the embellishments, all that. I had more fun designing and decorating this book than actually having to cut out all those pages. All that tedious process was eliminated thanks again to the Laser Master 3. So here is a final reveal, and again, I am so happy to start creating even more enchanted books for my local bookstore. I wanted to take a moment to talk more about the Ortur Laser Master 3. Again, I was so impressed and so happy that they chose me to try out this product. And I was so impressed that being a first-time laser user, that I was able to do so quickly and easily. Now, the Ortur Laser Master 3 has a speed of 20,000 millimeters per minute, and this is just a 10-watt laser module. This is so easy for first-time users and hobbyists, designers, artists, and it is really so cool to use because not only does it cut, it also engraves. It engraves black and white and can reach the 20,000 millimeters per minute. It's so fast. Now, this also is very user-friendly in that it has a multi-language laser engraver. And it is so easy to use with the different software programs that are out there. It supports Mac and PC computers. And again, they also provide an app that you can use on your phone. So it is very easy to use with a USB, an SD card, or Wi-Fi. It is adaptable for all different types of need. It's a hassle-free user experience. And again, the most important thing for me was the safety performance. Again, I hope you try out the Laser Master 3 and please visit their product website, not only to see all the products that they sell, but wonderful crafting ideas for the Laser Master 3. I can't thank you enough for stopping by and visiting, and I hope you enjoyed what I showed today, and I hope if you are new that you take the moment to like, share, and subscribe. And as I always say, stay safe, be kind, God bless each and every one of you, and remember to live the adventure, and remember to check out the playlist below. See you again soon!